So in this tutorial today, I'll show you how to make Candyland themed candy apples. But first, before we get into the video, let me introduce myself. I am the DIY Queen Diva. Before you tune in to watch this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with me on the weekends. I'm not trying to say I'm doing too much. I'm not doing too much. So we're getting ready to go into the Mass General store to get what I need for my Candyland candy apples. So I have arrived at the good old Mass General store. So come on, let's go inside and see what they got. So we can, these are lollipops for Easter. I like the bunnies better, so we'll do the bunny.
I think these would be cute. Look at these.
So we're gonna get pink, purple, and blue. But I really didn't come in here for Easter candy. I have to find that big lollipop for the Candyland theme. Oh, they have so much stuff in here. So much, old school candy. Boy, I'm in trouble.
Oh, I remember these. I remember these when I was a little girl. I want some. They got caramel coconut. Ooh, milk chocolate caramel nut clusters. My favorite. They got the pretzels. They got everything.
Finally, I have found my Candyland themed lollipops, the big lollipops that I need for my candy apples. So let's go and make some candy apples.
4 cups of sugar, 1 cup of water, and 1 cup of corn syrup. And my flavoring. I'm going to use white by Sunny Side Up squeeze gel color, and it's a bright white, but I'm just going to use a tad bit of this as my base color. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and cook this candy mixture until it reaches 300 degrees, and I'm not sure what color. Let me get a couple of these lollipops. So I am going to use these lollipops as my stick, but I am going to also add a straw on the stick. So I'm going to make the candy one of these colors in the lollipop. So I got these for $2.49 a piece at Mass General. So the Candyland candy apples, I am going to use these 2 straws for the sticks to cover up the lollipop sticks. Okay, so let's go ahead and cook this candy mixture until it reaches 300 degrees, and I'll be right back. So after you put your candy mixture on the stove until it reaches 300, go ahead and get your material ready. So this is what you're gonna need. You're gonna need your Candyland lollipops. Okay? You're going to need your straws to place on the wooden sticks. These are wooden sticks. So you're going to need your Candyland lollipops. Again, I purchased these from Mass General for $2.49 each. I have neon pink gel food coloring. I have my 2 straws that I will place on the wooden sticks. And then I have my bows. Now, if you do not know how to make these bows, I will post the link above. Look on the top of your screen, your computer screen or your cell phone screen. I will post that link above on how to make these particular bows. Okay, so now we're just waiting for our candy to finish cooking at 300 degrees. So until then, what I'll do is kind of place this straw right here. And I know I need to cut my straw. I'm gonna cut it about right there. So I'm gonna cut my straw so it can just fit on the lollipop stick. And there you have your straw. So I need to take this back off and I can just measure where I cut the first one. So I'm going to cut this second straw at the same length because I want everything to be the same length. So you just place your straw. Let's use this end. So you just place your straw in the candy apple. Well, you're gonna need more space because if you're going to place this down in the apple, you're going to need more space for the wooden stick to go down. So I'm going to leave about 1 inch. So basically, you want to cut your straws a little shorter than the wooden stick. So you're going to cut the straws about 1 inch shorter because you need room for your stick to go down in your apple. So I cut these straws a little short, about 1 inch short, because I want my wooden sticks to go down in the apple. So again, you want to cut your straws about 1 inch shorter than the length of the wooden stick. Place your straws on the lollipop, and the reason for cutting the straws shorter than the wooden stick is so you can have room for your candy apple so the stick can go down in the apple before you dip your apple. Okay, so if I'm going to dip my apple,
you need to push the lollipop down in the apple.
So you just stick your stick down in the apple.
My candy has reached 300 degrees. Now I am going to add the neon pink color to my candy.
I'm just going to keep stirring this until I get the color that I want. I think this should do it. Use this Walmart brand neon pink.
And now I am going to dip my apple. Make sure you scrape the bottom of your apple really good before you place it on your parchment paper or your wax paper. And now I am going to attach my bow. Okay, Queen Divas, I'm done. Enjoy your fabulous weekend and make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell button to keep updated with me and all of my videos on the weekends. Bye-bye.